Right then, we're back. So this week we've been working for Postmodern as usual, but doing a little bit of infill work. So we're working at the neighbours of a house that I finished landscaping off last year, and Postmodern redid the extension, roof, etc. I'll put some pictures at the end. So yeah, we've just been doing a little infill week this week, repairing a garage because they didn't want to knock it down and rebuild it. So a little bit different video this week. Working next door to the project that we finished off last year, or Postmodern finished the house, I finished the landscaping. We've done a little bit of lead work. First photo is of what the customer tried doing. Next photo is of what Postmodern did. Go check out their Instagram, it's up here. To check out some more of their work and the lead work they do. The garage itself had a few cracks in it, so they didn't, like I say, they didn't want to knock it down and rebuild it. So what everyone agreed on was just grinding out where the cracks were, putting some iron bar in there, resining that in, and then repointing. We then replaced all the rafters with new rafters. We took out the window, we installed a lintel, and then we blocked that area up. The entire garage is going to be rendered from the exterior this week. We also took out the door, put a new lintel in above that, ready for a new door which is currently being made. We did a little step outside the front of their house. That was me on my own. Nice little Tobermoor blocks for the front step there, as you can see. I literally almost forgot the one of the main things is we took all the tiles off, refelted and battened the roof, and then put all the tiles back on. And then yeah, we also finished, replaced obviously the fascia and the guttering. So a little bit different this week, but this is just a nice little infill with Postmodern construction. Next week we'll be cracking on with another driveway. We're going to try out some daily vlog things. I'm going to be posting every day. We're going to try and get our channel above 1,000 subscribers because we're at 940, so we're proper close now. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Comment below on things you do differently. Comment below on things you want to see. How's your week been? Different week this week. Obviously not that landscaping related, some of it is. Working next door to a project we finished off last year. That looks kind of cool, seeing it in the summer, all planted up. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.